Hey guys, so today in a new episode of What's in My Kit, I have my rack dividers. So what rack dividers are used for is pretty much just dividing clothes and organizing them on the racks. For example, say we have a group of pants here, we have a group of skirts here, and so on and so forth. You'll notice that I have white tape on them because these aren't dry erase. I usually just use painter's tape, but I'm currently out of the painter's tape right now, but you can always use mailing labels that you stick on envelopes. You can just stick on here. I use white because I'm like that. I like to match it. It just looks cleaner. When I do use my painter's tape, it is blue, so whatever, but you could see it. You just write on what you're dividing. So it's look 1, look 2, look 3, or if it's between the men's and the women's, just put men's and put women's, and that's how I keep things organized on the rack when I'm on set. You can now purchase these on my Amazon storefront at the Shop What's in My Kit link on my channel. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe for more.